Hello everyone. Today in this video we will learn how to toggle password or have that show password button in your form. So for the form I will be using Bootstrap 4.5 forms, and before I go there I will just copy paste the starter template because this template will provide me with all the required links. Then I will go to components and select form here. And I am taking the first form itself because I only need is an email ID, password, and the check me out button. This is the button I will be converting into a show password button, which is basically a checkbox. So I'll copy this code from here, go to my form and paste it here. So here I have the form. Now there will be 2-3 things that I'll be changing in it. First is the ID. It is really big. I'll just change it to my input. Because this ID we will use in JavaScript, and we will extract and store password in a variable and then work on it. And here I will just change it to show password. And I want that on this checkbox on click, I call this function my function. Great. So now I will create a JavaScript file. I've already created one. I just need to link it with this file. To link it with this file, I'll need a script tag. Type is text JavaScript. I need to add the source. Source will be form.js. So here I will show you that they both are in the same directory, so I do not need to give any path here. So now to check if this is working, I'll just do alert something. Save it. I'll go there and refresh. Yes, it is connected. And here is our form. Email, password. If I write any password right now, show password button will not work. So for that we will add here some code. So I am basically going to define the function my function. It does not take any parameter. I'll create a variable x which will store our password input area. So document.get element by ID, and the ID is this one, the ID for password input. I'll put it here, save. And now I'll use a if statement. If x dot type equal to password. If it is equal to password, I want you to change it to text on click. Else means if it is in text, I want you to change it to password. Save. And after I save it, I refresh it and type something here and some password. And when I click on show password, now when I again click on show password, it is not working. Let's see what the problem is. X dot text, it is x dot type here, Control S, and now I will refresh and it will work. Yes, it is working. So this is all. This is it. This is all you have to do to get a show password button in your form. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you.